Hi guys, welcome to my another episode of Weekend Tech News. This week is all about new products and launch events. I also have two very interesting updates for you, so let's get first started with the overview. The government has announced the ban on PUBG mobile game under the provision of Section 690A of Information and Technology Act. Government is set to examine a list of over 250 apps. The new move comes just weeks after banning Chinese app to protect national interest and security. PUBG mobile ban in India takes a new turn as it updates users' privacy policy. With new update in privacy policy for users in India, PUBG mobile could clear the recent wave of banned Chinese apps in the country. New update was recently pushed out for its users in the country that introduces better transparency around how personal information is processed. The new policy clearly states that user data will remain on Indian servers only. Users from India will have the ability to contact the PUBG mobile officials in case they want to access or erase their personal data. This means the user will have the full transparency and control over what is being shared with the game developers. G7 series is the newest gaming laptop from Dell. Keeping aside its Alienware lineup of gaming laptops, the Dell G7 comes in two variants, the Dell G7 15 and the Dell G7 17. 15 and 17 symbolizes the different screen sizes. The laptops are powered by 10th generation Intel Core CPUs and NVIDIA GeForce GPU. As of now, Dell has not shared any information on availability. Dell has stated that gaming laptops have been packed with decent features and specifications. From light gamers to professional gamers, these laptops gives immersive and lag-free gaming experience. Xiaomi reveals Mi TV Stick is set to launch in India on August 5th. Mi TV Stick could be priced lower than the Amazon Fire TV Stick in India, approximately around 3500. The Full HD streaming device runs on Android TV 9 Pie OS. The device comes with Google Assistant and Chromecast. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event goes virtual on August 5th, featuring the presentation of latest Galaxy devices. Virtual events have become very common these days due to the corona effect. Galaxy Tab S7 and the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus are going to be Samsung's next flagship tablets, and they are going to be officially announced in next few days. However, their design and specification have been leaked. Oppo Reno 4 Pro has been launched in India at price of 34,990, available on Amazon and Flipkart on August 5th. The fourth generation of Oppo's mid-range Reno series is going global with some alterations. The Oppo Reno 4 Pro increases the performance across the board compared to its predecessor, the Reno 3 Pro. The company has designed a new cooling system for this device. A lot of enhanced features are coming to the future version of WhatsApp. WhatsApp's new expiring message feature will let you send chat that will automatically disappear after 7 days. WhatsApp is being tested for other features like multi-device logins, messenger rooms with screen sharing feature, mute always option for group chats and more. Mute always option will replace the current existing 1-year option. Google keeps removing apps from the Play Store that doesn't meet the guidelines. A report states that 29 apps consisting of adware were removed. Most of the apps detected were photo editing apps. Once they were installed, the app icons would disappear from the phone, which basically means that users were unable to find the app. Google's Pixel 4 is initially planned to become official at Google's I/O conference in May, which didn't happen because of the coronavirus. Pixel 4 is finally close to launch. Google has confirmed the launch date, that is August 3rd. Not much details has been revealed, but Google has placed a puzzle for its customers. If you visit to a new special page on Google Store website, you will get a puzzle. If you solve the puzzle, you will get the August 3rd date as well as the tagline. It seems Google is trying to reveal some information about the device but seems vague. Visit the site and give a try. Once if you have successfully decoded the Google's box code, the text and the date will appear. Want to give up? So let me try for you. Amazon introduces the Smart Dash Cart. It is provided with the touchscreen and various other components to automatically detect the items you are placed inside it and even how many of those items you have picked from the shelf. When you are done shopping, you are allowed to take the cart through a special lane that checks out digitally without requiring a human cashier to ring you up. The cart will be first made available at Amazon grocery store opening in Woodland Hills, California later this year. NASA has launched its Mars Perseverance rover. The Perseverance rover will hunt for signs of habitable environments on Mars. While searching the signs of past microbial life, the robotic traveler will also collect a series of samples that can be returned to Earth with a future mission. It is scheduled to land on February 18, 2021 with an initial mission duration of at least one Martian year, that is 678 Earth days.